How much of your life do you think you spend asleep? Go on, take a guess. You'll sleep for around 1/3 of your life. That means that if you live till 90, you'll have spent 30 years asleep. That's a lot of dreams and a lot of pajamas. But why do we need so much sleep? What actually happens while we're asleep? And why does a bedtime routine make such a big difference? Let's find out. Your brain doesn't just shut off at night, it powers up. Did you know your brain actually gets cleaned during your sleep? The longer you sleep, the more waste your brain flushes out. It clears out junk, organises memories and sorts through everything you've learned in that day. It's like your brain has a tiny team of cleaners and file organisers working through the night shift. Sleep also supports your immune system, your muscles, your recovery, your focus, your memory and emotional health. Sleep is so important that you can go longer without food than without sleep. Let's break it down. Babies sleep a lot, sometimes up to 20 hours a day. Children need about 9 to 12 hours every night, and teenagers still need 8 to 10. And adults need 7 to 9 hours sleep, if we're lucky. Here's a fun fact. Your brain moves through 4 to 6 sleep cycles each night, and you dream 3 to 6 times every night, even if you don't remember. Most dreams happen during the last sleep stage, called REM. That's your brain's creativity playground, and that's why you often remember parts of your dreams when you slowly wake up. But what happens when you don't get enough sleep? Well, your body and your brain really struggle. You can feel really cranky, you can't concentrate, you forget things, you can get sick easier. You're more likely to have accidents or injuries and feel stressed, overwhelmed, and emotionally run down. Basically, your brain is running on very low battery mode, and this is where the sleep hygiene comes in. It means building healthy habits around bedtime to help your body and brain wind down and recharge properly. So how do we set up our brain for a great night's sleep? Here are 3 simple things that make a big difference. Turn off electrics at least 30 minutes before bed. Screens confuse our brain and delay sleep. Go to bed at the same time every night. Your brain loves the rhythm. Keep your room quiet, cool and dark. That's the perfect sleep zone. You wouldn't throw your iPad across the room and hope it charges ready for the morning, would you? You'd plug it in gently and let it reset itself. Well, your body needs the same thing. This is the evening routine we use in our house to recharge the right way. 1. Tidy up. Tidy space, peaceful place. Clear your floor, fold your blanket, put your clothes or books away. Your brain will instantly feel calmer. 2. Brush and wash the day away. Have a warm shower or a bath. Being fresh and clean helps your body wind down. PJs. Comfy and cozy. Changing into soft pajamas tells your brain it's time to sleep. It's honestly my favourite part of the day. Then you need calm, relaxing time where your mind is clear. No screens, read, draw, sketch, cuddle your pet, or just lie still and breathe. Our bedtime routine chart has lots of calming ideas. It's linked below. Reflect. Think about something good that's happened, something you've learned, something that's made you smile. It helps you end the day with a proud brain and a really happy heart. Cuddles. Cuddles are the best. They help you feel loved. A quick cuddle or just wrap yourself up in a cozy blanket makes your brain feel so safe. Finally, sleep. Recharge your batteries, close your eyes, breathe slow and let your body and your brain take it from there. You don't just need more sleep, you need better sleep. That's why I made a simple bedtime routine chart you can flip through each night. It's calming, it's easy to follow, and it helps you fall asleep feeling proud and really peaceful. Grab it below, and if you want to learn how to start your mornings just as strong, watch the Daily Morning Habits video coming up. Sweet dreams.